I'm not this one. I have to take a big scoop.
Get the templates out and ready.
Probably won't have enough icing.
Well, you only need a tiny bit of icing. We won't have enough, probably. I'm meant to be making 6. We won't have enough Olafs either.
Why?
We have 1, 2, 3. You have 6 Olafs.
If you make it a mess, then just lick it.
Just lick it. Make a little mess to lick it.
Because it will taste what it tastes like.
Scrumdiddlyumptious. You putting all the icing on one of them?
Oh no. Can you not wait? No?
This is
Have you any patience? Oh, there's a hair. I don't want that in a cookie. Bye bye hair. Oh. That mouth didn't want to come off.
which mouth?
Oh, what was that?
That was the timer. I better go check. It's empty.
Looks like this girl has no patience whatsoever.
No, she just wants to eat icing.
As you can see, it's melting like a snow cone in Phoenix. Oh my god, how many buttons has he got?
This is going to be a tall snowman, isn't it?
Very, very tall. I'm gonna have to compromise somehow.
Look how many buttons he has.
Mm-hmm.
So crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, when you make a snowman, what do you use for the buttons?
Coal. That's what you use, don't you?
And what is coal?
It's like black thing that you can cook stuff out of. You can cook stuff.
Cook stuff.
Yeah, in Minecraft.
Oh, Olaf. He's just lost in hand.
Where's
Well,
his
we'll
hand?
make him, we'll call him Lefty. Oh, there's another hand. This is getting a bit
Ridiculous.
tedious.